2023.6 introduces performance improvements and several exciting new features in the project dialog, TMS web schedule, app, and more. For our first feature, let's open a project. When viewing the resource list in the project resource pane, you could previously see resource properties like last name, first name, slot group type, and availability. Now, you can see three other crucial pieces of information in this table: organization, location, and resource ID. For our next few features, let's head over to the TMS web schedule page. You can now view another resource's schedule. To find availability, we can select multiple resources and compare their schedules. To further help with big picture overviews of planned events, take a look at the new mini calendar. Lastly, for TMS Web, we added work patterns to the view. Now, you'll be able to see a resource's typical working hours at a glance. For the last part of this video, let's take a look at the new app features. One of our most anticipated app features is now in your hands: editable report parameters. You can set values for the following parameter types: date, date time, yes no, days list, resource, location, and color. Lastly, weekends in the app now follow the rules set in our desktop application. For report parameters and the schedule, the app will now account for the weekend days you define. For more information on the 2023.6 features, visit your Mint manual.